So again, it was a fairly normal movement that allows the same, the same kind of resolution. All right, then we get to, these were, oh, and by the way, the process of writing this tune was a complete sort of, okay, where do I go next kind of process. I didn't have any of this planned out front, right? I started with the first two chords. I liked that movement, and then I said, okay, let me write a melody. Dee-doo-dee-doo-da, which tied the two chords together, really. Those are all common tones. Then, I didn't know where to go next. What am I going to do next? All right. So, it actually looks logical when you look at it, because it's B minor, and then it goes to B7 sharp 9, so it's kind of, it takes the B minor resolution and then makes that into a 5 chord to go to an E minor resolution. And then there's a parallel movement to C minor. I think I just did that because it sounded, I liked the sound of it, but then it suddenly realized that it was a 2 chord to the next chord I wrote, which is a B flat major 7 sharp 11. So now you have a 2-1 from C minor. So here's the resolutions. We've got a resolution at bar 3, after, so it's 2 bars and then a resolution. Then there's 2 more bars of harmony. Then we've got a resolution which is 1 bar to the next bar. Then we've got another 2 bars, which is a resolution to the next one, right? So that you see the harmonic pacing is moving around. Then it's B major 7 sharp 11, and now I've got another chord, another slash chord, which is a C triad over D flat. Because the E flat major 7 sharp 5 in bar 5 could be spelled out as an E flat with a G triad on top. I used to spell it that way actually, and then for some reason I thought, no, I'll change that one. But this one is a D flat in the bass with a C triad. And again, it's a 5-1 movement to D minor. It's a reworking of an A7 sharp 9 altered, A7 altered, going to a 1 chord D minor. And then A flat major 7, where does that come from? Well, to me, it's got, again, the shared common tones, you know, so both these chords have a D in them, they have an F in them, a G, a B flat, and a C. The D minor 7 and the A flat major 7 sharp 11. So again, there's 5 notes that the 2 chords share out of 8. So it gives them a tying together factor. There's also the tritone thing, if you want to think of it that way. And the other thing about that that's the first part of the song. That's where the first section ends, where the double bar is. And the other thing to think about is that in the beginning I've got 2 4-bar phrases, right? Or an 8-bar phrase. It's really an 8-bar phrase, and then the next one is a 6-bar phrase. That wasn't planned. It was just sounded right. I just, you know, I think when you start playing songs that have got odd bar structures, not, you know, by that I mean not 4 and 8 and 16, but start to have asymmetry in the bar structure, then you start hearing things that way. And you know, 6-bar phrases have become a little bit part of the language I use in songs. Any questions yet?